exposing the secrets of a parrot's journey. Everybody loves a good adventure, and Polly the parrot is ready for hers. Meet Polly, our vibrant, curious parrot with a knack for adventure. One sunny morning, Polly decides to leave her cozy nest and explore the jungle. She soars through the sky, feeling the wind beneath her wings. Polly meets a friendly monkey who shows her where the juiciest fruits are. Yum! But the adventure doesn't stop there. Polly spots a shimmering river and dives down for a splash. She even races a cheeky squirrel across the treetops. By the end of the day, Polly is tired but oh so happy. She heads back home, ready to share her tales. Remember, every day can be an adventure, just like Polly's. So what are you waiting for? Spread your wings and explore.